Hmm. Didn't you say you were getting your middle splits last year? And the year before that? And the year before that? Hey, no worries, I've got you. I've created this routine to help you get your middle splits as soon as possible. Now, this routine is designed for anyone, whether you're a beginner or advanced. And the secret, as always, is to stay consistent. Now, in addition to this, I'm giving you guys a challenge. Following this routine at least 3 times a week to get your middle splits as soon as possible. I'm going to be doing this every day until I get my middle splits at the end of the month. Now, this challenge ends on January 31st. So on that day, I'm going to be posting a video showing the results of doing this routine every single day. Hopefully I get my middle splits by then, or as close as possible within that time frame. So if you're interested in doing this challenge, type middle splits in the comments below. And if you do see progress, feel free to tag me in any videos that you make so that I know if my routine helped you. Alright guys, the deadline is January 31st. Don't forget! Let's begin.
We're going to start by doing 10 plie squats. If you want a more intense warm-up, I have a video in my playlist below. Remember, it's so important for you to warm up before you start any stretches. Next, we're doing heel taps in a plie squat. So lift up each heel and put them down. We're gonna do 10 of these. Good job. And now hold that plie squat for 15 seconds. Try to go as deep as you can, driving your hips to the ground. And now we're going to do 10 side lunges. Now hold the side lunge for 10 seconds. And now switch to the other leg. Now open your legs as far as you can into a straddle. You can use your hands if you need to push them further. And now raise one arm as far as you can and lean towards the opposite leg. Try to rest your body on that leg, but if you can't go that far, that's okay. We're gonna hold this for 20 seconds. Amazing job, guys. Now we're going to do the same thing for the other side. Raise your arm up and reach for your opposite leg. Now we're going to turn our torso to face our legs. And then if you can, try to grab your leg. If you can't, just reach out as far as you can. We're gonna hold this for 20 seconds. And now repeat that for your other side. The next stretch we're going to do is a pancake stretch. It's called a pancake because you're trying to reach as far down and as flat as possible. Make sure your back is straight and then lower yourself as far down as you can and aim for your chest to touch the ground. We're going to hold this for 30 seconds. And come back up, keeping that nice straight back, and done. Amazing job. For our next stretch, you're going to fold one leg in with the other leg still straight out and lean to your side like you were doing in the straddle position. We're gonna hold this for 10 seconds. Now with your legs still folded, tilt your torso and try to grab your leg. Now we're going to repeat those exercises on the other side. And now we're gonna do a butterfly stretch. I like to use my elbows to try to drive my knees downwards as far as I can. I'm turning to the side to give you guys a better view, and we're going to do a butterfly stretch, but reaching out forward. This stretch is amazing for your hips and your back, and they're going to be so flexible if you keep doing this consistently. Trust me, it doesn't matter if you look like a hunchback, with consistency, you're going to become so much more flexible. And done. Great job. Our next exercise is one of my favorites, and it's a frog pose. Now it's very easy to do this wrongly. Try not to lean forward because this will put the weight away from your hips. Instead, push back and let the weight drive your hips downwards. Try not to round your back. We're gonna hold this for 30 seconds. And finally, we are doing our middle splits. Now we're gonna hold this for 30 seconds, and as you can see, I don't have my middle splits right now because I didn't keep my flexibility like I was supposed to. Trust me, do this every day and you'll get lower and lower until you can finally touch the bottom. Awesome job, guys. If you made it this far, I am so proud of you.
Whew. Alright guys, that's our routine, and don't forget to join the challenge so we can see our results by January 31st. Okay, if you'd like to watch another video, click one of the videos that are on the screen right now. If not, I'll see you guys until next time. Bye!